In this video, I'll show you how to update your Sony WF-C510 and C700N earbuds. How do you update the firmware? Well, very easy. First of all, you need to connect them to an iPhone or Android device. Here I have my Android phone. I have already paired them together. If you didn't do this yet, it's very easy to pair. You just need to open the case, press the button right over here behind the case until you see this light flashing blue, then go into the Bluetooth settings and you'll be able to select them from the list. Once your earbuds are paired, you need to download a Sony app, okay? So go in the Play Store or the App Store if you're on an iPhone, and you need to download the Sony Sound Connect app. It should look like this. Okay, once you have downloaded the app, go ahead and open it. After pressing a few screens just to confirm, just to accept their terms and conditions, you're going to have this page over here with the model of your earbuds. Next step is to press connect. I suggest when you're over here to remove one from the case, put it in your ear or leave it the way I do it, and then press connect. It will connect quicker. And now we are finally connected. You see on the first page, if there is an update pending for your earbuds, you're going to see a blue bar with more info. Click on this. Then you're going to have a small text over here you can read. Press OK. And if you get this message, okay, because you have removed one of the earphones out of the case, you can remove the other one. Like that. Press OK. Press OK again here. And the update will start doing updating and downloading. At this point, you just have to wait. As it says here, do not turn the power off. Do not position the audio device and mobile device far away from each other. Do not insert the headphones themselves into the charging case. Okay, just leave them out, leave everything the way it is until it's done. If not, you may break your headphones or earbuds, which is definitely what you don't want. So let's come back when this is completed. Okay, so in my case, it took around, I would say 7 minutes to complete the whole process. Press OK. And this is about it. You can go ahead, put them in your ears, put them in your case, it does not matter. They have been updated. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon links in the description if you want to get a pair of earbuds from Amazon. You also support my channel. Thanks.